who wants to speak. Okay, tell me, Rehan.
We did cleaning for festival.
Oh wow! So Rehan and his family celebrating a festival. They did cleaning for the whole house. It is a special event for them. Okay, what else? Tell me what was special for you all. Who would like to tell? Raise your hands. Yes, Jagat Surya, bolo.
Ma'am, new baby kittens was born for taking them.
Sorry, दोबारा बोलो. New baby born.
New kittens came to our house for taking them.
Oh, so new kitten came to their house. Wow. So he is happy. His best part of the week was that kitten. Yes, Vedant, bolo.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
ma'am, today we are going out.
You are going out, but going out is very risky.
Huh?
Where are you going?
For temple, ma'am.
Huh?
For temple, ma'am.
For temple, you should be very safe. You don't know how to go out. You should sanitize your hands. You should wear a mask. Yes or no? Take care,
Yes,
child.
ma'am.
Okay. Tell me, Shubham, what you want to tell. We are waiting for everybody to join. Okay. We'll start our class at 3. By that time, I'm talking to you all. Bolo? Bolo, Shubham?
तुलसी का पेड़
हाँ बोलो.
तुलसी का पेड़ उगाया तुलसी का पेड़ उगाया
तुलसी का पौधा लगाया है शुभम ने. वाह. उसको रोज टेक केयर करना है पानी डाल के. हाँ
उसमें पानी डालना है और बड़ा हो जाता है.
हाँ. वाह. शुभम को तो सब पता है. मुझे पता है शुभम इज स्मार्ट है ना. उसको बहुत केयर करना है. यस सादिया बोलो.
कब कर लेंगे ये कहाँ पर आ रहे
शुभम वापस से म्यूट करना है. हाँ देवीश्री बताओ. देवीश्री बताओ तुम्हारा वीक कैसे स्पेशल था. तुमको अपने आप को अनम्यूट करना है पहले.
My help my mom. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
For preparing jalebi.
Wow.
Good afternoon.
So Devishri helped her mother in preparing jalebi. Not only helping is special and eating is very special, isn't it? So she had jalebi last week. Okay. And Adya, what you wanted to tell us? Tell us.
Mom, we are prepared sweets.
You are preparing. So all were in festival mood past week. So many sweets and cleaning and fun. Yes, Shreya, bolo.
Mom, we have prepared yoga.
Yoga do. You have done yoga. You are doing yoga daily. Very good. It is very good for health. You should stay healthy. That is very appreciable, Shreya. You should keep it doing. Yes, Kashvi?
Mom, my mother gave to play one room, ma'am.
Oh, you have got a room to play. Wow. So you have a playing room. Great. Okay, tell me, Roshni. Very great. हाँ बोलो.
मैम मैं पहली बार अपनी बाबू को रक्षाबंधन में राखी बनने वाली हूँ.
Oh, wow. Roshni is so happy that this time she is going to tie Rakhi for his brother for the first time. You all are telling me so many great things that I am feeling happy to hear all this. Yes, Janina, tell me. What is special for you?
Ma'am, I helped to my mother do the cake.
Wow. Now my mouth is watering listening about cake. How was it?
Ma'am, it is nice, ma'am.
Wow, very happy. Okay, tell me, Dhruti.
my mother to clean the house.
Oh, wow. Very good. Good children. I know you all are becoming very smart, staying at home, loving your parents, getting love, isn't it? Anybody else wants to speak? Anything special? Anybody else? Okay, Adia, tell me.
Mom, I planted methi.
You planted methi, you did not share it with Karishma madam. Okay. Did you
I'll share.
did you eat it? Did you taste
No,
it?
it is good, ma'am.
Okay, grow it. I'm happy to hear that you all are planting something. Yes, Jagat, bolo.
Mom, help my sister to painting on wall.
Wow, you are painting a wall. Great. I am also planning.
I
No, 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 no. No, no, no. Not like this.
planted many plants.
This is not the way to do, child. You have to keep your
Ma'am,
video
I
on
want
and
to,
raise
ma'am.
your hands. Now, Karishma madam is also planning to have a full wall painting with many colors. If I do that, I will share with you all. Okay, I'm just planning. I don't know how it will come out. If it is nice, I will share. Okay, now we have, it is 3 o'clock. So we will start our class. And I'm very happy to see you all happy and telling me so many great things. Keep on recording what special you are doing so that you can share it with me. You should not forget to share, isn't it? So, for that, daily in the end of the day, what you do? You write it. You write in your diary. Today, my best part of the day is this. You remember when in the night you are sleeping? No, at that time you think, what was good in a day in my day? What was special today? And write it. So that in the end of the week when we meet, no, you have so many stories to tell. Then one day you would be having so many stories that Karishma madam won't be able to teach. We all will share the happy moments of the week. One special day for sharing all the happy moments. What do you say? Is it fine or not? How many of you agree to that?
Ma'am, I asked yesterday, ma'am. My grandparents they was playing
What, Vedant?
Kho and Kabaddi, ma'am.
Wow. You are having so much
Yes,
fun,
ma'am.
Vedant, huh? Okay.
Kabaddi.
Now our today's manager will be uh, now our today's manager will be who is sitting properly? Yes, Janina. Okay, so today Janina will tell me if my video stops presenting. Okay, if somebody else by mistake presents or my screen goes off or I get muted by mistake. So Janina will inform me. Who will inform? Only Janina. Nobody else will speak. Fine. Now, last time we read about our family. Now, today we are going to read our new chapter, that is Chotu's house. Okay. What is the name? Chotu's house.
Ma'am, I want to.
Yes, who's speaking? Chotu's house. Now, one day, Chotu, can you all see Chotu? Chotu came to Mumbai for the very first time. But in Mumbai, Chotu did not know anybody, did not had a house. But he has come to Mumbai and suddenly rain started pouring. And because Chotu did not know anybody, he did not have a home in Mumbai, what happened? He was getting wet in the rain. See, He may fall sick, he's scared. Then he saw a pipe. Did you all see, no? He saw a pipe. So he went inside the pipe and slept. Then slowly, what he did, in the pipe only, he tied a rope and started hanging clothes. He made a small place to cook food using bricks, wood, and stones. And he, from dump only, he got this tank type of thing where he could store water. Then one day, when Chotu was standing near his pipe, he saw a boy. That boy's name was Monu. That boy also came to Mumbai, and he also didn't have anybody to whom he could go. So what Chotu did? Chotu invited Monu to his place and welcomed him. Okay, now you tell me why Chotu came to Mumbai. If Chotu did not know anybody, if Chotu did not have a family there, then why Chotu came to Mumbai? Anybody, raise your hand and tell me. Yes, Adya.
Chotu don't have family.
Why
Chotu
he came
don't
to
have
Mumbai?
family.
Yes, Rehan.
To work.
To work. So
To
he
work.
came to work. He came to Mumbai for finding work.
To work.
To work. Okay.
Ma'am, to
Now
work.
he came to work. Now what did Chotu do? How did Chotu use the pipe? How Chotu used the pipe? Yes, Deepika, tell me. How Chotu used the pipe?
Bedroom. Like bedroom, kitchen.
Okay.
Like
Yes, Jagat
bedroom,
Surya, bolo.
kitchen.
Good. बोलो. म्यूट हो गया जगत. हाँ? I could not hear. How did Chotu use the pipe? Anybody wants to answer? Yes, Manu, bolo. Yes, Manu, bolo. Manu, bolo. For?
Ma'am, for sleeping he used pipe, ma'am. For sleeping, ma'am.
For sleeping. Okay.
For
Anybody
sleeping,
else?
ma'am.
Yes, Dhruti, bolo.
Hang the clothes.
To hang the clothes. Okay.
Hang the
Yes,
clothes.
Jagat, bolo.
Cooking.
Good afternoon. You should come on time. This
Good
is not the
afternoon,
time to
ma'am.
come. Okay. Hello. Hello. Yes. हाँ. He used pipe as a shelter. Just like the way we all have houses. Yes or no? To keep us safe from rain, from hot, from cold, from winds. The same way, Chotu used his pipe for shelter. Then why do you think Chotu invited Monu to live with him in the pipe? Why he invited Monu? Yes, Rehan, bolo. Next is Devishri after Rehan. हाँ
No.
बोलो दोबारा.
Place to live.
He wanted to give him place to live.
Place
Okay,
to
very
live.
good. Next, who wants to speak? Yes, Adya बोलो. After Adya, Mohit will speak. हाँ. Because he did not have family
He did
and
not
friends. Okay,
have
very
family
good.
and friends.
Next, yes, Mohit बोलो.
Because Mono can
दोबारा बोलो.
home.
Because Monu didn't have place to live. Very good. Now, because Chotu had a house. Not exactly a house, but a shelter, which was acting like a house for him, the way we all have a shelter in the form of house. But he did not have family, he did not have friends, and a house is house if we don't have family and friends. But if we get family, friends, what it becomes? Home. What it becomes? Home. So he wanted his small pipe house to become a pipe home. Deepika, silent karo. Mute yourself. Mute. So he wanted to make his pipe house a pipe home. So he brought Monu and he wanted to help Monu because Monu didn't have a place to live. Yes or no? Now, you have to tell me. See, first is you all have the textbooks now. Who all live with you in your house? You all can write the name of your family members living with you. Yes or no? Next, Chotu divided the pipe into different parts. You all have told me the parts. Now write the name of different parts of your house. What parts he divided the house? Tell me. And what are the parts in your house? Yes, Ruti, bolo. Sleeping. Very good. तो sleeping के लिए जो part होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Which part of the house is used for sleeping?
Sleeping?
Bedroom. Very good. Yes, Nisarga.
Bedroom.
Very good. Devishri bolo. Dining room. Where we eat is called dining room. Yes, Kashvi bolo.
Dining room.
वेरी गुड. किचन. किचन हो गया है. और कुछ बोलो. यस एंग्लॉन. एंग्लॉन बोलो.
Kitchen.
मोनिश बोलो. No. You all forgot, no? Not together. Mute yourself. Hello. Hello. Okay. Mute yourself, children, and try to listen. I'm not able to hear you all. Okay. So let me show. Storeroom, kitchen, puja room, garden. All these are parts of a house. Yes or no? Let us see once. First is kitchen, as you all told. Hello. Yes. Are you able? Okay. First is kitchen.
Hello, ma'am.
These are some main parts.
We can
Then
listen.
dining area where we all sit and eat. Then bedroom where we sleep. a area for sleeping. Then there is a place where all will study. It is called study area. Yes or no? You all have made a place to do all the online learning. Yes or no? So that is study area. Then there is a place called then where we welcome the guests. Living area, drawing room. Okay. Then next is restroom. Restroom is the place where we go to freshen up, even to bath or use the toilet. So restroom. Balcony. Balcony, it can be veranda for some people. It can be balcony, it can be an open place if you are living on a ground floor. Then garden. Garden is doesn't mean a proper garden, but we all have a small garden in our houses where you keep your tulsi plants. It can be on terrace, it can be on your balcony, it can be near your house, on the back side of your house. So, garden. Now, you tell me what is your favorite place in the house? So, here you have three questions. First is, what is your favorite place in the house? Second, tell me one place where one family member of your family spends most of the day. Okay, then is there any part of your house where a particular family member never goes or goes for a short time? For example, my grandmother doesn't go to terrace. Why she doesn't go to terrace? Because she can't climb the stairs. Then there is my younger cousin. He is not allowed to go near the electric switches. Why? Because it is dangerous for small children to touch the electric switches, no? Similarly, some of my children told me that my father doesn't go to kitchen much. Or like that. You all also think why a family member doesn't go to a particular place and why some people goes a lot. Okay, now in our textbook there is a poem. Let us come to the poem. Home sweet home. Listen to me carefully, huh? You always tell me, mother, the house belongs only to us. But how do I believe that, mother, when I know it belongs to many more? Look, mother, how these mice are all playing catch catch together. And look how these mosquitoes fly. And how peaceful lies the happy spider. And look, mother, at the lazy lizard. How slowly it crawls to and fro. And look at so many black ants all marching in a row. And look outside in the courtyard. The birds are all pecking about, just like when my sister and I sometimes fight, quarrel, and shout. That is why I say, dear mother, don't think this house belongs is only ours. It's dear to us and all who live here and have been living for many years. This poem tells us that, Mama, this house is not only ours, it is of many more other creatures like this mouse, like this cockroach, lizard, who all lives in our house just like their own home. I'll tell you this poem in Hindi also. Listen. सदा यही तो कहती हूँ माँ, घर ये सिर्फ हमारा अपना, लेकिन माँ कैसे मैं मानूं, घर तो यह कितनों का अपना. देखो तो कैसे ये चूहे खेल रहे हैं पकड़म पकड़ी, कैसे मच्छर टहल रहे हैं, कैसे मस्त पड़ी है मकड़ी। और छिपकली को तो देखो, लिजर्ड, और छिपकली को तो देखो चलती है जो गश्त लगाती। अरे कतारे बांधे बांधे कहाँ चींटियां दौड़ी जाती। और उधर आंगन में देखो, और उधर आंगन में देखो, पंछी कैसे झपट रहे हैं, बिल्कुल दीदी और मुझ जैसे किसी बात पर झगड़ रहे हैं। इसीलिए तो कहता हूँ माँ, घर ना समझो सिर्फ हमारा, सदा सदा से जो भी रहता सबका ही है घर ये प्यारा। तो वो बोलता है कि ये घर जो है ये सिर्फ हमारा नहीं है, ये इन सब का भी है, ये सब लोग भी तो अपने घर की तरह रहते हैं ना यहाँ पर। ना वो तुम लोगों को इस कविता के बेसिस पे क्या करना है, जैसे बहुत सारे अनइनवाइटेड घर के मेंबर हमारे घर में रहते हैं, है ना। सेम वे you too have to draw pictures of any two animals that live in our house uninvited. Those who are not invited. For example, if there is a pet, you have brought the pet. Uninvited means those who are not invited. So you have to draw two pictures and below you have to write their names. Do you get it? Now you all will tell me, we are talking about our house so much. Then how to keep our house clean? What all we can do to keep our house clean? See, first, we should not dirty the house. How? We should put all the garbage in the dustbin, not here and there. If we eat a chocolate, the wrapper should go in the dustbin. In the dustbin, not near the dustbin. Sometimes we throw the wrappers carelessly. Okay, we should not do like that. Then the floor should be swept and mopped regularly. Regularly, we should mop our house and clean our house by mopping and sweeping. Then we should keep the things arranged in a proper place. If we have taken something out to play, we have to keep it back on the place where it belongs. Then we should do dusting and wiping regularly, not daily. Wiping and dusting can be done after 2 or 3 days, but it should be done regularly. There should be no dust on our things. Okay. Then what else? Not only house, what we should do? We should keep our surrounding also clean. Why we should keep our surrounding clean? If our surrounding will not be neat, would you like to go out of the house? Just imagine opening the gate of your house and lot of the dirt is there in front of your gate. All garbage. Would you like to open your gate? And if your place is dirty, just imagine. If you have a wrapper in your hand and you see around lot of kachra, lot of garbage is there around you, what will you do? You will throw your wrapper also there. Yes or no? Mhm. Similarly, if you will not clean your surrounding, what will happen? People also will start throwing garbage. You have to motivate people. We should be the role model. If we keep our surrounding clean, people will be motivated to keep it clean. Can you throw a wrapper in a place which is very clean? No, you will feel guilty. So you should keep our surrounding clean. Then what comes next? Rules of restroom. How to use your restroom? First you should use the toilet seat properly. You should know where to sit. And in that way only you should sit. Next, you should flush the toilet. After using the toilet, you should put lot of water on that. Then you should wash your hands. Okay, your hands should not be dirty. You will meet people, no? So for that, you should properly wash your hands with soap. Whenever you go to washroom, just imagine. How would you like a dirty washroom if you enter a washroom? No. So we should leave the toilet as clean as you want it yourself. If I want a clean washroom, then I have to set an example. I also should leave the washroom clean. I should put efforts. I should put properly. I should flush properly. I should put water properly. Okay. So this is what we should all do. Now we all have done last year fit plogging run. We all cleaned our school. Yes or no? We picked up all the wrappers from around. Why we did that? Because Gandhiji's birthday anniversary is celebrated as Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So we have to become a part of this Abhiyan, Swachh Bharat. We all want our Bharat, our India to be clean. So we all have to join hands and keep our city, our house, our surrounding and our country clean. Okay. Now, other than cleaning surrounding house, what comes? Personal hygiene. We all should keep a regular check on our personal hygiene. How to keep our personal hygiene? We should brush our teeth, we should wash our hands, we should bath regularly, we should trim our nails, we should comb our hair properly. Boys should trim the hair also. And we should keep neat and clean. We should wear washed clothes. We should change our clothes regularly. After eating, we should wash hands. After using washroom, we should wash hands. Before eating, we should wash hands. Yes or no? Hmm. So, personal hygiene brings health. Personal hygiene, then cleanliness, all these things brings health. We should keep ourselves and our houses bacteria free, clean, so that we all should stay healthy. Nowadays, you all know all this corona, COVID-19 is going on. What we should do for that? We should enter house and leave our slippers outside. We should not bring dirty slippers inside. Immediately after coming, what we should do? We should clean ourselves properly. We should change our clothes. We should wash those clothes. Yes or no? It is not that we should do it only now. We should take a lesson that this is the way to live. We don't know where, which bacteria, which virus. For now we know, but generally we don't know. Because of that only we fall sick. Always, whenever you come back from outside, what you should do? You should clean yourself properly. You should remove your slippers outside. You should not bring dirty slippers inside the house or shoes or whatever you are wearing. Okay, so now today we have learned that how a house becomes home and how some parts of the we have learned different parts of a house. Then we learned how there are a few creatures, animals or insects who lives inside our house uninvited. Then we learned how to keep ourselves and our surrounding and our house clean. Okay, so now you all have to complete your textbook exercises as we have discussed, and you should do the worksheet that I will be sending. Take care all.